Check this phantom wallet, $1.84 million from launching meme coins, not trading them. No hype, no guesswork, just a system that works over and over again. Stay locked, I'm showing you how I built this from scratch, step by step. I used to chase every meme coin launch, refreshing charts, sniping buys, and hoping I was early. But all I caught were losses. Then it made me realize something. The real winners aren't buying coins, they're launching them. That's the truth. When you launch, you control everything, the supply, the timing, and the story. It's all in your hands. And here's the best part. When you launch, you've got zero risk. You create a coin and it costs you nothing. But if you keep trying to trade over and over again on other people's coins, you'll keep losing. And that's a fact. Bitcoin is at the all-time high and Solana's running. Now is the time to start launching. Make sure to keep watching. And before we get started, I just want to be perfectly clear that this video is meant for educational purposes only. Do not copy me. Pump.Fun might seem like the go-to, but it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of new coins flood in every hour, and yours gets buried before anyone even sees it. You also have zero control over the liquidity and no way to touch your profits. You're just stuck waiting. That's why I switched to create token.Fun now. It launches your token directly on Radium, and it's instantly graduated, meaning it's live, tradable, and showing up in front of real buyers from the second it's created. You manage the supply, you set the rules, and you keep all the profits in your pocket. If you actually want to get volume and visibility on your coins, create token.Fun is the only smart move. Now, to launch a coin on create token.Fun, you've got two solid options, and both are fast. First method, create from scratch. So first of all, pick a trend, so go on Twitter, TikTok, or I don't know, Instagram, and find a viral meme. It could be a political clip or whatever is exploding online. Then drop in a token name, symbol, and a 128 by 128 image. Click next and your coin's ready to launch. But the second method though, it's my favorite by far and the most profitable. The Copy Trending Coins tab pulls live tokens from Pump.Fun that already have traffic and volume. You just click once and it relaunches it instantly onto Radium. And because you are copying coins that already have momentum and attention, you get instant buyers fucking flooding in, and way more profits without needing to guess what works. This is the shortcut I use when I want fast flips and easy volume. Anyways, I'm gonna stop bragging, let's run it live. I'm launching a coin right now and let's fucking make some money. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom, then refresh the list. Okay, which coin should we copy? In my opinion, I think I'm gonna copy the Putin in pink because it's kind of funny. It has a last buy 43 seconds ago though, which is a bit bad, but why not? Why not? The market cap is at $55,000. Okay, I'm going to copy this coin. Crit coin, your phantom wallet will pop up. Oh my god. Boom. Now, you will get a warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, just ignore it and proceed. Boom, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied. You just have to be patient for a bit. Boom. Now if I go on SoulScan for you guys can see that it's officially minted and it's on chain. So the website actually works, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is pretty simple. Basically, it's gonna allow us to add liquidity to the coin to make it tradable and make it visible onto Radium. So here, select your coin. Here the balance should be automatically selected. Under amount token A, put 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin, and yes, you will be the first buyer. Now you will not lose this money since you are the first buyer. Okay, so you will get it back after you remove the liquidity. I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Sol. I'm going to put 0.4 Solana, and make sure you have enough in your wallet. Then click on create pool. Your phantom wallet should pop up right here. Yes sir. Click on confirm. After that, simply click on refresh. Then if you scroll down, boom, the Putin in pink is now fucking live. Our PN now is $0 though. But if you click on refresh once again, you guys can see that now our profits are at $210, which is absolutely insane. It has been like 5 seconds. Now, to see the chart, click on view on Photon, and boom, the coin is now live. Okay, buyers are coming in, the chart is now open, the chart is exploding. Now, I'm gonna go on full screen, and let's see what's up. Okay, we're at a $1.3 thousand market cap, $1,000 in liquidity, and we have 8 transactions already. Now, okay, $50, $50, $20. We have to give this coin a bit more time for it to marinate. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse, and all you have to do is sit back, watch, and relax and enjoy, bro. Give me a few minutes. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and as you guys can see by the chart, the market cap is absolutely insane for a couple minutes. It's almost at $5,000. I think it hit it. Yeah, it hit it. And we have $1.9 thousand in liquidity. To make money off this coin, you have to come back to the site and then click on refresh first of all to see your profits. Okay, so we're up $1.8 thousand with a $5.5 thousand market cap. Now, to make money off the coin, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove out of the coin. I'm personally gonna do 100% because I don't care about this coin. I just want to make a quick buck. And then click on remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet should pop up. And as you guys can see here, I'm gonna receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And just like that, we just removed the complete liquidity out of the coin. And if I open my phantom wallet without any cuts, boom! That's 1.8 bands straight inside my wallet. Bro, you guys have to try this. Now before you click off to go make a coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below. And yeah, bye.